Meaning of essence.
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 Essence. The word essence refers to the most fundamental and important aspect of something, the quality or nature that defines it. It is the intrinsic nature or indispensable quality of something, without which it would not be what it is. Essence can also refer to a concentrated form of a substance, extracted from its natural state. In philosophy, essence is associated with the essential properties that make an object what it is, rather than its accidental or contingent properties. Overall, essence refers to the core identity and defining characteristics that give something its unique and essential character.